Do you struggle to wake up in the morning? You're not alone. Many of us grapple with the snooze button, wishing for just a few more minutes of sleep. This video aims to change that by offering a simple, easy-to-follow guide. But what if we told you that there's a simple way to make waking up easier? Step 1. Set a consistent wake-up time. It's crucial to regulate your body's internal clock. This clock, or circadian rhythm, thrives on consistency. Aligning your wake-up time every day, even weekends, helps fine-tune this rhythm. By doing this, your body will naturally know when it's time to wake up. Step 2. Use an alarm clock effectively. Position it across the room. This encourages you to physically move, shaking off that drowsiness. Opt for a gradual alarm. It stirs you awake gently, rather than a jarring jolt. Remember, your alarm clock is a tool, not an enemy. Step 3. Wake up to light. You see, our bodies are wired to respond to light, signaling that it's time to rise and shine. If natural sunlight isn't an option, fear not. A wake-up light alarm clock can mimic the sunrise. Light is a powerful wake-up signal for your body. To recap, waking up doesn't have to be a struggle. Remember to set a consistent wake-up time, use your alarm clock as your ally, not your enemy, and let the natural light guide you to consciousness. With these steps, you can transform your morning routine and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day.